it out, and perfect. Hey guys, this is TBrom here, and today we're going to switch it up and we'll give you our top 5 reasons we love our Google Nest Hub. Jumping straight into reason number 1, we love the Google Nest Hub's compact design. It's sitting on a 7.5-inch screen on top of this nice big speaker that we have in the back. And also you can see the mute button, and you can also see the volume control on the side. And in the words of Genie, it's got unlimited cosmic power. Anybody live in space? Next up, we have the custom routines, and we'll show you those now. Okay, Google. Good morning.
Hello there. It's 8:12 a.m. Currently in Mount Awili, it's 83 and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 86 and a low of 77. Have a nice day. Here's the latest news from CNBC at 6:14 a.m. today.
Hello everyone, I'm Sue Herrera, CNBC Business News. Here's what's happening at this hour. The market turmoil of yesterday, well, it's a distant memory, or perhaps not so distant, but it is a memory.
So as you can see, as I'm enjoying my morning latte, I can watch the news and catch up on the stocks. So obviously we know not everybody's into CNBC or the stock market, so you can actually go in there and change any of the news sources that you want in the Google Home app for your good morning routine. Next, we'll just go ahead and show you what it's like when I come home.
Okay, Google. I'm home.
Hi, Brosidon.
Okay, Google. Stop.
So obviously that's my theme song every time I come home. But what about when I'm leaving?
Okay, Google. I'm leaving.
Okay. Have a good day, Brosidon.
Okay, Google. Go home.
So I can even program my Google Nest Hub to play music for my dog after I leave. So now we get to jump into a nifty little feature called the Smart Photo Frame, where we can actually display some of our Google photos on our device.
Show me my photos.
Showing your photos.
So pretty cool, you actually get to see all of your photos right in one place in high quality. So it's going to take all of your Google photos that you share through your Google account settings, and it'll display them for you. And the cool feature here that I didn't really get to show was that you can actually upload photos to your Google photo album in real time, and it'll show up here.
Okay, Google. Go home.
And another neat little feature that we're going to get to show is actually one of my favorites, because I'm an avid user of dark mode, is the Ambient Display. So the Google Nest Hub will actually adapt its backlight to a light that's more conducive to the environment that you're in. So this feature does take the place of a front-facing webcam. So if you like video teleconferencing, that feature is not here. And the main reason I actually bought the Nest Hub is because it is the perfect kitchen accessory. So we'll show that now.
Show me a recipe for grilling steaks.
Here are some recipes I found.
So as you see, it pulls up plenty of options. I'm just going to select the second one. And all you have to do is say start cooking.
Okay, Google. Start cooking.
There are 3 ingredients. You can ask for the next ingredient or skip to the instructions. The first ingredient is 4 1/4 to 1 1/2 inch thick boneless ribeye
Okay, Google.
New York strips.
Skip to instructions.
There are 6 steps. I'll read them one by one.
So as you can see, it actually pulls it up in a nice big display, easy to follow. Anybody that's tried to use their phone to cook while they're in the kitchen can see how messy that gets. So that simplifies it. So unfortunately, one thing I didn't get to show was how easy it is to set up your smart home around this device. I hope to be able to do that later on. Thanks for tuning in for this video. If you liked it, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check us out on Facebook, check us out on Twitter. Tune in next time for our next video. All right, thanks guys.